This is my brother, Pierce. And I am the filmer that almost, I think everyone knows. Yeah. Okay.
And welcome to our Lego Harry Potter set. So here's the castle, and here's the ice cream trail, and here's the treasure hunt, and here's the owl, and here's Harry Potter and all his friends.
Okay, so
and
let's...
Here's the tree, and here's the box.
Okay, so... Wait, where's Luna? Okay, so this is Luna. Okay. No, Ron first. And then Ron...
And one.
He got a...
Owls.
Back...
Where's owl?
No, wait.
Here's Ron owls.
No, Ron doesn't have an owl. He has a mouse. Okay, so this is Jenny Weasley. Okay. This is Draco Malfoy. I think everyone knows. I hope so. And Harry Potter's owl. Wait, yeah, right here.
He has 3 owls.
And of course, Harry Potter, the main character. Okay. Okay, so here we have Professor Sprout. Okay. And then the mentor. And we got Lucius Malfoy with his Death Eater mask. Wait, Chris, can you hold this? And he really has a back face. Wait, let me just get his hair right here. There, Lucius Malfoy. Okay, so now we have wait. Okay, Pierce, can you pass me? And here we have wait, let me see on the box. Neville. Okay.
And that's the broom for Harry Potter.
And Malfoy, one of his friend. Okay. And one of the professors. Okay. Here we got the Hogwarts. The Hogwarts. And it comes... Okay, so it comes with 2 beds, a bunk bed, and a snake.
Down
and a crystal, right?
And the magic mirror.
And the magic mirror. But wait, we're going to get to that. And the globe that can spin. And the magic mirror, where Harry Potter saw his parents. And here is that professor, and here is the where Harry said the wrong word, and Ron went up, and she turned green. And here's Harry Potter's face, and here's a cobra. Okay, so Pierce, can you move the train over here?
Okay.
Okay, so here's the train, the front. Here is where the luggage go and Harry Potter's clothes. And here we have the
and the owl.
The invisibility cape. Wait. Take the owl out. And here we have passengers. Okay, so I will bring you the flying car. This way.
No, right here.
No, the flying car.
Oh. And look at this. You can't even see him.
Whoa. Was that the flying car?
Look at it. at the owl.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's
Okay.
invisible. You can't see
Okay.
it.
It's just me with my hand in the flying car. Pretty nice. Good detail.
And then Harry Potter put your hand on the door.
Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching our Lego Harry Potter
set.
video.
And set.
Do the funny dance.
Little. Yay.
Do the... Thank you for watching, people. And I hope you give us 100 views. Good thing. Views. Okay. Thank you for watching a Harry Potter Lego set. Da 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 da.